This last triangle or this last image is a little bit more tricky because you have two triangles. All right, so we want to first focus on a triangle that has more given to us. So this triangle has a 2 and a 7, so we have A and we have C. All right, so in this case for this triangle, this is C. We need to try to figure this part out, which is your B, and A is here is 2. So you have to use the Pythagorean theorem twice. All right, so we know A to be 2. We don't know B, but we know C. So some of you guys are trying to plug the 7 in for B. You've got to look at your triangle and see which one is actually going in for. So 2 squared is 4, plus B squared equals 49. So then we go through and we solve it. All right, so at this point, we actually have to use the Pythagorean theorem again. So it's just, we don't have to worry about simplifying this yet. But what that does tell us is that this is the square root of 45. All right, so I'm going to erase this now because we have what we need. We found this length that we needed. So now let's focus on this triangle. Okay, and I want to use a different color this time. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. In this case, this is my A, this is my B, and of course, that value is my C. So we put in x squared plus 5 squared equals the square root of 45 squared. So x squared plus 25 equals 45. So we get x squared equals 20. We take the square root of that, because now we do have to simplify it. So if you need to figure that out, you can break your 20 up. We have 4 and we have 5. We have 2 and 2. So 4 is a perfect square, so it makes a pair of 2's there. And we're left with the 5 on the inside, which does not have a pair. Okay, so that is the answer to that question.